The joy of eating is taken away because, oh, what you're going to eat might give you heartburn. Or, you can't eat this and you can't eat that.
Sherry's not the only one missing out on her favorite foods.
A good number is to think of almost 10% of the U.S. population having heartburn on a daily basis. It's a huge number. Millions and millions and millions of patients suffer from reflux.
Serious acid reflux, or GERD for gastroesophageal reflux disease, can strike when the muscle at the top of the stomach is too relaxed.
Some of the foodstuffs that they ate travel back up into their esophagus, a sensation that things did not digest well. It's not really an issue of digestion, it's an issue of regurgitation.
Typical GERD symptoms include heartburn, chest pain, regurgitation, and difficulty swallowing. There are also a number of possible GERD symptoms that may surprise you.
The atypical manifestations that people are not so aware about: cough, asthma, you can have sinusitis, laryngitis, or hoarseness.
Untreated GERD can, in some cases, lead to cancer of the esophagus. While just about everyone has GERD-like symptoms at some point, it's how often you have them that matters.
If you have symptoms regularly 2 times a week or more, we would consider that significant reflux that warrants an investigation.